Good evening. Today I am going to discuss about the case study on improved energy efficient routing scheme. So though we are dealing with that is man at mobile ad hoc network. So the routing is the main challenge for source to destination. That is with transmitting the data from source to destination. So I'm going to discuss about case study. Here we discussed energy efficient, including energy efficient routing scheme. So first thing, introduction about the MANET, problem statement, objective. So my work is to improve energy effective routing scheme and conclusion future work. So here the roadmap of that my research that is work is communication network. Though we having a wired and wireless network, I concentrate on wireless network. In infrastructure, there are two base network we having infrastructure and infrastructure less network. Since I'm using a MANET, the infrastructure-less network is I'm concentrating. So here the MANET is we having a 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, the presentation layer, and session layer, and the application layer. In that network layer is the I'm concentrating. Main is concentrating on network layer. So network layer is nothing but routing. That is routing protocols. We having a routing protocol classified into 3 types: proactive routing protocols, and reactive routing protocols, and hybrid routing protocols. In that I am focusing on reactive protocols. So in that I'm already I case study I have clearly studied about the literature about the AODV and AODV, flat routing, loop free, and self-starting and scaling. So common issue is routing based energy consumptions and network lifetime. So here the mobile ad hoc network, it is a self-configuring infrastructureless by network of mobile device. It is a group of mobile nodes that communicate with that communicate without requiring a fixed wireless net infrastructure. So there is a no base stations. Node can only that communicate without requiring a fixed wireless infrastructure. It has a no base stations, and node can be transmit only to other nodes with this link coverage. The data must be routed via intermediate nodes. There is no master slave relationships. There is a direct communication or through multi-hop relays. Next one is challenges on mobile ad hoc network is the limited data with the bandwidth, dynamic topology, routing overhead, hidden terminal problems, security, energy conservation, and battery constraint, and interoperations. So here routing, we having a fixed and static routing, and the routing in wireless network is no fixed infrastructures. Routes are dynamic, and roles of routing protocol is identifying the route, establishing route, and maintaining route. These three they are the roles of routing protocols. So main objective of to improve the energy efficient protocol, suitable strongly investigate the selected mode of minimal degree of energy consumption. So here in my proposed work is it is to achieve the battery lifetime and to clear the routing disabilities that the routing the different routing actions performed. The least energy prerequisites based on association of offers well organized among the source and destinations. Each node performs the communication with its acquired energy and the source nodes begins the demand messages for the route and transmit the packet. So they verify the target of the destinations, whether it performs the task of transmissions based on energy needed for the transmissions, and estimate the energy. So transmit the data packets to subsequent hop by hop sequence. So it reaches the destination through multi-hop sessions with the loop. So step 1 is least prerequisites energy association rule. Step 2 is the source node. Step 3 is verify the target based on energy estimation. Step 4 is found the proper routes. Step 5 is transfer the data through multi-hops. And step 6 is disconnect the route. So routing to estimate the route connections. First one, step 1 is transmission by the source. Step 2 is mobile nodes M1, N1 to MNN lies with the transmission range. Check step 2 is check for MN1 to not equal to 0, and MNID is not equal to TID, and P is less. So estimation time is equal to TS plus TD, and the estimate route is RS plus RT. Record of ESTS, ERS, MIND. So the continuation of this, if not select route 2, if it is select route 1, if it is not, route node lies out of range. So step routine to route disconnections. So here if m1 one is of the route, created route p is equal to 0, the step 2 to find condition is satisfied. So if it is condition is not right, lies out of the range. So performance analysis. Here we having a compared with the AODV and AODV PR. So here the number of nodes packets with number of nodes and packets delivered when compared to the previous protocols, we have achieved the number of packets delivered with the proper channels. Next was network throughput. So network throughput also we achieved the energy levels of nodes in joules. Next one is packets acquired. Also we having a number of packets acquired per unit is when compared to AODV and AODVR, we will be achieved the packets delivery in right time. The ratio of live nodes is also we have the achieving the minimal when compared to other nodes. So summary of this packet delivery ratio in the regular routing is 85%, but for the design scheme it is 90% within the work. The design scheme within the network acquires 900 packets per second, while the regular schemes acquires 400 packets per second. So in the design, the effective technique, not even single node is reacted with the network. It represents the level of energy and does not achieve entirely explosion state. The during transmissions, due to the network route disjoint transmissions in AODV consumes escalated levels of energy, where the design schemes achieves improvement and estimated against the regular scheme. So that's all about the energy efficient routing protocols scheme. Thank you.